So now let's create our first Facebook ad. So just go to facebook.com and log into your personal Facebook profile. Now in the top right of the nav bar, click that down arrow, and in this drop-down, select Create Ads. So you're redirected to facebook.com/ads/manager. So it's on this Ads Manager page where you're prompted to select your marketing objective. Facebook breaks down their ads into 3 marketing objectives: awareness, consideration, and conversions. But I like to look at the marketing objectives as a funnel. I can attract a lot of eyeballs on my brand via brand awareness, reach, and video view ads. I can build up page likes, engagement on my Facebook posts, such as comments and likes. With engagement ads, I can drive people to my website with traffic ads, or I can capture leads within the Facebook platform with lead generation ads. My most common ads are engagement ads to build page likes and boost posts to get more likes and comments and views on my specific Facebook pages. Then I use traffic ads to drive people to my website where I have my pixel installed and I'm curating a custom audience of these users. And I can remarket to those users later on. I like to use conversion ads for these remarketing ads. But again, I'll go into each ad type and each marketing objective in depth as you advance through the course. So one more note on this Ads Manager page, a thing I refer to often are the levels of the ad. Are we at the campaign level, at the ad set level, or the ad level? So at the campaign level, we're picking that marketing objective. What objective do we want for our ad? Then at the ad set level, I'm selecting who I want to market to. What audience, what interest, what detailed targeting. Where do I want it to show up? On Instagram, in my newsfeed, on mobile only? Then I can set the budget and schedule of when I want the ads to deliver. And on the third and final level is the ad itself. This is where you create the ad, format it, upload the media, whether that's an image or video, and then adjust the ad copy and text, including call to actions. If you ever get stuck or have a question, Facebook has a ton of helpers built right into this Ads Manager, such as help choosing an objective, or you can click help and type in any keyword or search phrase and read many frequently asked questions and articles, really inclusive of the entire spectrum of questions any Ads Manager would have. So let's just close that. And now to create our first campaign, we will need to create an ad account. So let's just create a traffic ad. You can name your campaign, but that's fine. Let's just create this ad account. That's our first step. So just specify your country, your currency, and time zone. Advanced options, you can name the ad account. So since I'm posting ads under my personal profile, that's fine. But if I was an ad agency, and this is the first business I onboarded, I want to name that ad account specific to their brand or business. So I can create ads in their specific ad account and have a pixel for their specific website. I create a new ad account for each website I have. So scroll down, click continue, and now we're into the second level. We define our audience, budget, and schedule. So it's on this ad set level, we'll determine who we want to market our ad to. So let's scroll down, audience, what location, what age, what gender, what language. We'll leave this default for now. Detailed targeting. This is where I usually input my competitor's page. I want to target customers that are related to my competitor. So that's a common thing I do for my clients. Then we scroll down, placements, auto placement, or edit placements. Automatically, Facebook will place your ad in the Facebook newsfeed, in Instagram, and in their audience network. But we can edit this and choose what specific platforms we want our ad to show on. But again, let's just do the default. Then we can set our budget and schedule. Click continue. Now we're on the ad level, the third and final level. So let's just do a single image format. Scroll down, click upload images. When we scroll down, the Facebook page we created will be the default Facebook page we connect with. You can create a new Facebook page from this if you'd like, but for the most part, I like to build out my Facebook page before creating Facebook ads. Then we can link our Instagram account. Since this doesn't have one yet, the default will be linking our Facebook page. This is a traffic ad, so we need to input where we want to drive this traffic. So let's have the traffic go to coursenvy.com. This is where we can change our ad copy, add a call to action button, but let's just scroll down. We'll eventually install a pixel on our website for collecting our audiences so we can remarket to very specific traffic on our website. So now let's click place order. So since this is a new ad account, we need to select a payment method. So input your credit card, PayPal, or online banking information. So I've input my payment. We are now redirected to the Ads Manager homepage. Your Ads Manager is laid out in 4 tabs. So on the Account Overview tab, we can see what account name we're in, the recent amount spent. We can make adjustments to the way we see our reporting. We can add columns relevant to the ad type we ran, whether it's engagement, a video, and so on. The next tab is Campaigns. So remember, that's the marketing objective. What did we select for our ad? A traffic ad. So there's our objective. We didn't name it specifically, but this is why as you start creating ads, you want to name each campaign so you can instantly identify, oh, that's a website click traffic ad for XYZ client to a specific demographic. Then we can go to the second level of this, which is ad sets. This is who we marketed to, correct? We just did the defaults, which was the United States, 18 years and older. And then finally we can look at the ad level. Again, we didn't name this specific ad. It's the default name with a preview of the image we selected. So if we want to edit anything, just go to that tab level, click the check mark, and then come to the right sidebar here to expand information about that campaign. Edit that campaign. We can change the name right here. But now let's go to the ad set level, that second level, right? Who are we marketing to? Again, we can make edits on this level. Just toggle select that, expand, and then we can go to the edit level. We can change that ad set name. We can change our budget. We can change our audience. Remember, we didn't target anyone. Say an ad isn't doing well. We can change it right here. And again, you can do it at the ad level, the final third level. Select that, expand, and edit. Change our ad name. Change our ad, the image, the destination, and the ad copy. Say we created an ad on accident, we can come back here and shut this ad off by toggling this. Delivery inactive. And then just click this globe up here for notifications. As you can see, we created our first ad. So I often mention levels throughout this course while creating a Facebook ad. And by levels, I mean steps. Your first step, second step, third step. Your first level, or first step of creating your Facebook ad, is the campaign level. This is where you select the objective for your ad. The second level, or the ad set step, is where you select your audience, your targeting, your budget, your schedule, and your ad placement. And finally, the third level, or the third and final step of ad creation, is the ad level. This is where you create your ad, you format it, set the media, and finally create the ad. So when you first create an ad, under the campaign step, you'll be asked to select a marketing objective. So these advertising objectives are what you want people to do when they see your ads. So the objective you choose in this first step of ad building under the campaign step will align with your overall business goal. The first category will be awareness. These ad objectives are ads that generate interest in your product or service. The middle column and selection is consideration. These objectives get people to start thinking about your business, getting to your website, signing up for newsletters. And the final objective category on the right will be conversions. These objectives encourage people who are interested in your business to make that purchase, to sign up for your service. So as you can see, once you click that Create Ad button, here you'll be selecting your marketing objective under the campaign step. So awareness, consideration, conversion. For most of my clients, I start out with page likes to build their page up with likes and build social clout. People see, oh, they have 10,000 likes. That gives a little bit of clout. It gives a good feeling to that customer that other people are liking and following this brand. Then the next objective I use are post engagement. Unfortunately, in the past, just because people liked your page's post would show up in their newsfeed. But anymore, the organic reach of Facebook page posts is under 10%. So you'll need to use post engagement ads to promote your actual post to your entire page following. Another great one under awareness are reach ads that I use for local awareness. I use this for brick and mortar businesses such as dentists. They don't have a nationwide reach, right? So I just do a 10-mile radius around their store, around their business. And we build awareness via free offerings, things to get people in the door, right? Then you can prove your customer service, your product, and so on. Then brand awareness ads. Think of billboards. Coca-Cola, Pepsi. These big brands, they're not necessarily promoting a single product, but rather just the brand, the logo. This is what these ads are for. If you just want to get your brand in front of the most people, these are great ads. So the ad type I use the most, over 50% of the time for my clients, are traffic ads. I want to get potential customers to my clients' websites. By doing this, I'm building a custom audience on that website for the pages these Facebook visitors go to. So as long as you set up your custom audiences correctly, these website click ads or objectives are great for building those custom audiences. Then later on, I'll use website conversion ads to retarget those custom audiences to close the sale. So maybe I just get them to the website, get them to a newsletter sign up, give them more info about the product or service. If they don't purchase it the first time to your site, no worries. We can retarget them again via website conversion ads. Hey, you've already been to this site, or check out this product just like this. These website conversion ads are a great way to retarget these people who initially came to your site via website clicks. So you can close the sale with website conversions. These are my two most popular ads. I will A/B split test ads within a traffic campaign to find my optimal demographics, my optimal age, my optimal interest to target. Then as I get my price down and my click rate up, then I start retargeting those custom audiences via conversion ads. I'd say the third and fourth most popular ads I use are video views and lead generation. If you haven't created videos yet, you need to start. Think about it. When you're in your newsfeed, do you stop on photos more often or when an autoplay video comes up? Data shows video engagement is much higher. So spend the time to shoot a video. Film it on your smartphone, whatever. Or even do a voiceover and create a slide-by-slide video using PowerPoint. You can save as a .mp4. Start using video to convey your marketing message. And finally, lead generation. Most customers don't want to leave Facebook. They're on Facebook for a reason, right? They don't want to go off-site to your MailChimp sign-up, to your lead page capture form. The beautiful thing about lead generation ads is that you can capture the person right on Facebook. You can capture their email, their phone number, and many other metrics right in that user's newsfeed without them leaving the site. So make sure to use a balance of all these marketing objectives, but think of them as steps. Building the awareness, getting them to buy into your brand, visit the site, give you a lead, and then finally conversion, close the sale, sell the product, get them to sign up for an offer, and so on. So now let's jump into Facebook ad targeting. Facebook enables you to use the targeting options available on the Facebook ad creation page, so you can reach a specific audience that matters to your business. Now, Facebook has 1 billion plus users that look at their newsfeed every day. So with Facebook ads, we can target specific users that align with your business. Now, the variables Facebook ads use are ever expanding, but some of the most common ones I use include location, age, gender, and interest. So you can really make your ads as targeted or as broad as you want. So let's jump into building a Facebook ad and see how you use Facebook ad targeting. So the first place you can create an ad from is to create an ad directly from your Facebook account. So just click that drop down arrow and then click Create Ads. Or you can create an ad by clicking the Create Ad button on your Ads Manager page. That's at facebook.com/ads/manager. So once we click that Create Ad button, you first need to select the type of ad you want to run. So here we are at the campaign level, the objective. Choose your objective. So with all these various objectives, you can promote a lot of things through Facebook. So this includes everything from boosted posts on your own Facebook page, to increasing the amount of people who like your Facebook page, to even sending people off of Facebook to your mobile app, to your website, to create conversions on your site, and so on. So I will dive deeper into each type of objective later, but for now, let's use my favorite type of ad. So first, you'll need to name your ad campaign. Since I make ads for a lot of websites, I like to use short codes for naming them. So when I see that campaign name in my reports, I'll instantly know that's a WebClicks campaign, WC, that was for the website Course Envy, CE. Once you name your campaign and click Continue, you will see you'll shift down one layer as you build this ad and transition to the ad set. It is on the ad set level that you will decide your targeting options for this ad. This includes the target audience, ad placement, and budgets and schedules. If you have a standard audience that you know works and you market to for most of your ads, there's no need in building it every time. You can save one. So I'll show you how we can build one out and then save one later. But as you can see, I do have some saved audiences. So I could select this past saved audience called Udemy Pack. So as you can see, when I have it highlighted, it shows what the actual saved audience was. So this saved audience consisted of men living in Pakistan that liked the Udemy page and are ages 18 to 40. So the next option available to you are custom audiences. Custom audiences are great for building niche ads targeting very specific users or audiences on Facebook. So this can include your own customer email list, website data that you captured via the Facebook Pixel, or possibly people who have installed your app or game. So as you can see, I have some custom audiences that I've created already. My first one is Course Envy. I have a Facebook Pixel capturing people who go to CourseEnvy.com. And then I have a few others. I have created a lookalike audience, and the list goes on. So if you haven't created a custom audience, we do have a lecture on that. But you can create one right from the ad set. So just click that Create New link, and then either click Custom Audience or Lookalike Audience. So with these, you'll be able to either select that Facebook Pixel or create a lookalike of that customer list, of that Facebook Pixel, and so on. Next is the ad set location. So this is one to really watch that potential reach number change as you add and delete locations. So we're at 194 million with all of the United States. So I typed in Los Angeles, California, and selected a 25-mile radius. Look at this, we dropped down to 6.8 million people. Now think of how powerful a feature this is for you. Say you're running a local business, maybe a lawnmower repair shop. I don't want to market to people across the United States. I want to market to people within 10, maybe 25 miles from my shop. This is the same for so many brick and mortar businesses. Think of it, bakeries, restaurants, dry cleaners. Location marketing can be very powerful for you. So we keep scrolling down. Now we're to age, gender, and language. So first off, age. What is the age of your target market? By default, Facebook gives you 18 to 65 plus. That's pretty broad, right? So for some businesses, it's really easy to identify your age group. Say you sell wedding dresses. This is going to be safe to say target women age 20 to 35. But for most businesses, it's safe to stay with that default age. If you're marketing a product, a service that really anybody could use, go with that default 18 to 65 plus. But a great hack to find your demographics age range is to look at your Facebook page insight page. So here we are on the Course Envy page. I click Insights and then I click People. So as you can see, 79% are men. And then if you add these up, 72% are men ages 13 to 24. So it's safe to say, for Course Envy anyway, I should target men ages 13 to 24. So let's come back to this ad. We'll set the age range from 13 to 24. We'll click Men in Gender, and then we select our target language. So if your website and ad are in another language, this is where you select that language. My ad text and my website text is all in English. So I search for and select English All. Now look at our potential reach. We're down to 690,000 people. We're narrowing down our ads reach so our click-through rate and our conversions will increase. The more targeted you are with marketing, the better. Now, sometimes I do agree that you need to blast the general public with ads for brand awareness, but for the most part, you will experience the highest success rates with these Facebook ads if you use laser-focused targeting. Now let's get to the real targeting feature of Facebook ads. This is the detailed targeting field. Here you can search various demographics, interests, and behaviors of these Facebook users. And then you can select them to be included in your ad outreach, or you can exclude them from your Facebook ad targeting. So let's say I'm building an ad for our social media marketing course. We would want to target Facebook users that are interested in marketing. So being interested in marketing is very broad, right? But it's a good start to defining our target audience. So look at when I type in marketing in the detailed targeting field. The first option is marketing as an interest. So that means over 558 million people have shown an interest in marketing. They've liked a marketing page, liked a marketing post. So I would click that to get going in the marketing niche or targeting, right? So next I would type marketing in again in that detailed targeting field, and I'd select fields of study and job titles. Think of it, people with a job that is marketing focused, that's a perfect customer for me. Yes, they know marketing, but they're always open to learning more. So I selected those three options. As you can see, my potential reach is now narrowing even more. 230,000 people. But as you continue adding interests and behaviors similar to this niche, you can grow this potential reach. See, look, after I added Instagram to the interest, my reach went up to 440,000. So this is great if my course was about Instagram, but let's say my course is just about marketing on Twitter. So I want to exclude people interested in Instagram. So by clicking exclude people, I can choose new details, new behaviors, interests, job titles to exclude from the audience I want to market to. So each new option you choose to exclude will decrease your audience size. So as you can see, I excluded Instagram, and that took me down to 71,000 people. So these ads will reach people interested in marketing, jobs that are marketing, and interest of Twitter, but it'll exclude people who are interested in Instagram. So now let's scroll down further in this ad set. The next option is connections. With this feature, we can reach people who have a specific kind of connection to your page, app, or event. So this feature can narrow or grow your audience by including people with that specific connection who also meet the other targeting categories you've selected. So one way I use this is if I want to target people who only like my Facebook page or friends of people who like my page. So if you want to market to people who just like your Facebook page, this is a great option for that. Or if you're looking to expand by word of mouth, if people see, oh, my friend liked that, let me check out that page. You market to friends of people who like your page. Or if you're a one-off business, you sell that service and then it's done, it's not very smart to remarket to those people. So maybe exclude those people who like your page because you've already sold to them, right? Remember how I said you can save audiences for quick use in the future? Well, here's how. So just click the Save This Audience link, and then you'll be able to name it for easy reference in the future. So once you finish placing this ad, you'll be able to find the saved audiences under that drop-down menu on any ad set page for future ads you create. The next section are placements. Where do you want your ad to show up? The options include everything from mobile newsfeed to Instagram to audience networks to desktop computers. So now for mobile, if your website isn't responsive or mobile friendly, then I would uncheck this option because you only want people to see your site on the most optimized platform, right? But honestly, if you don't have a mobile friendly, responsive website you're driving customers to, you have a bigger issue than Facebook ads. Get your website mobile friendly ASAP. I personally like testing all my sites on mobile devices with the website www.mobiletestme. So before I select a landing page for one of my Facebook ads, I'll throw it into Mobile Test Me just to make sure it looks good, because anymore, most users are on their mobile device when they see your ad. So back to placements. I select Automatic Placements. I want users at any time and on any device to see my ads. Now the last part of this ad set section is budgets and schedules. So unless an ad is doing extremely well, getting you cheap clicks and cheap conversions, I don't like to max out my daily budget. Because no matter what, Facebook's going to spend my budget every day. So I prefer to set a lower budget of $5 and have it dispersed throughout the day. And then I set up 3 more $5 campaigns, and I can split test variables and various targeting methods, various ads, to see which one performs the best. Now, depending on if you're running a temporary sale or an ongoing evergreen ad, you'll want to select to run your ad continuously or set a start and end date. This next section, from my research, leaving the ad default settings here have produced the best results. Facebook really has these optimized. Next, you see ad scheduling. I personally run my ads all the time. I want people to constantly see them. But you can run ads on a schedule. Say if you have a Black Friday-esque sale or a live webinar that's only happening at a certain time. You can select Run Ads on a Schedule and pick the times you want those ads to run. The only other reason I have used ad scheduling for clients is because the data I have collected from their Facebook page insights and their MailChimp email campaigns have shown me that their users check their email and are most engaged on Facebook posts at X time. I know that certain time that their users are active. So if you have the data, go for it. Why not target engaged clients at their most active times? Finally, you want to name your ad set. Name it specifically, so again, within reporting, you can see, oh, this is Course Envy website clicks campaign. What's the ad set? Oh, this was Los Angeles men 13 to 24. Do this so you can quickly identify which variables are doing the best for you in your split testing. Now we're on to the final level of ad creation, the ad itself. This includes the formatting, media selection, and the site we want to drive our traffic to. For my clients, I've had better results from the single image and video especially. So once you select single or multiple images, next you'll need to upload those images or videos for your ad. So note on the right-hand side, Facebook will give you the recommended image size for this specific ad. You really want to follow this recommended image size because your ad will optimally take up the entire newsfeed space allotted for this type of ad. So if you use a square image, for example, that's not going to take up the whole newsfeed, and it may be misaligned. But if you're creating ads with a placement targeting Instagram, you will want that square image, or that 1000 by 1000 pixel image. You'll need to select the Facebook page to link with this ad, then link the Instagram account by logging into it, if you have one. If not, you can select the Facebook page. Then for this specific ad, I'm driving people to a website link, remember? So you'll need to input that website URL you want to drive people to. So just paste that URL right here. Once you have your ad built, you can preview what it will look like in each placement form So what will it look like on the desktop, on a mobile device, on Instagram, and so on? So once you have your image or video uploaded, we have our URL set for this specific traffic objective campaign. Now we just need to fill out this ad copy. Now I really dive deep into ad copy and give you some ad copy examples at this blog post on our Course Envy blog. So make sure to check that out, get your ad copy created, and then confirm and create this ad. Now it's time to start split testing and driving customers down your funnels. Build awareness, get clicks to your website, then convert them to paying customers.